welcome to my channel. We're gonna get right into it. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this easy, simple, delicious strawberry cheesecake. And right here I'm just making my strawberry topping for the crust of the cheesecake. So I have strawberry, sugar, water. You want to cook it down on the stove, and then I'm gonna blend it. Obviously, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know I'm clumsy, so I definitely lost the clip. But all you do is put it on the stove, simmer it for about 5 minutes, then you blend it up. And here we are. Put it to the side, and now I'm going to work on the cheesecake filling. So now I'm going to use a blender. Flag on the plate. Red flag on the plate, child. A violation. Put it all into the blender. The sugar, the eggs, the sour cream, the cream cheese, the lemon juice, the vanilla. And then I'm going to blend it all up. And we're going to put this thing together. Obviously, I did not come up with this trick. I saw it somewhere on Instagram, decided to use the blender because I didn't feel like using any other type of machinery to get this cheesecake done. The strawberry puree you want to put in your pie crust. Yes, the title of the video says cheesecake pie. Okay, cheesecake pie. So we're using a store-bought pie shell. After you get the puree all over the bottom like I have it here, you want to pour your cream cheese filling, which was so perfect, by the way, you guys. Even if you don't make this pie, you want to make a regular crust for cheesecake, this is the way to go with this filling. It's really good. And this is a cheesecake once it was done in the oven. This is a cheesecake the next day after I put it in a refrigerator and left it alone. I found this strawberry whipped cream in Aldi supermarket. I have some strawberry syrup here and some strawberries. Now you can make your own strawberry sauce, or you can buy it, of course. And I'm not gonna lie, when I was doing this, I didn't even have a game plan for how I wanted to plate this up. I just said I needed to look very strawberry because it's a strawberry cheesecake. And this is how I plated it. So I made it as cute as I could, but you already know it's Valentine's Day. If you're making this for your babe or your friend or whoever, you know they're gonna love it regardless because it's a thought that counts. This was my first time using this strawberry whipped cream, and I was so astounded by the color of it once I used it because I didn't even try it. I didn't test it out. I didn't anything. So I was, taken back by the color. I thought it would be more pink or I don't know, brighter, but it was still super cute. And yes, so I think you guys, it'll also help you with time, Don't nobody have time to be making no whipped cream and this and that and that and that. Then if you're a woman, you got to go do your makeup and your hair and blah, blah, blah. So I gave y'all the shortcuts, okay? But this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty once everything comes together, and I hope y'all give this recipe a try. The cream cheese filling was very creamy and very delicious and spot on, and you can't really see the strawberry filling on the bottom, but when you make it yourself at home, you're gonna be able to see like a thin layer of it between the cheesecake and the crust. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support. I have one more dessert recipe coming for this Valentine's mini series, and then I'm gonna cut it. Love you guys. Bye.